Alright, here we go. What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're finally going to do my very first watt pull with the cams and my GT500. So yeah, I woke up to my first revision today for the cams. My tuner said the base lock looked great, needed a little more idle air and slight MAF adjustment. Load this up and let's get another idle log and watt pull from 25 to 6500-ish. So that's technically doing my very first watt pull with cams in the car. So it was raining all last night, and when I woke up the streets were a little wet, but I mean it's 2 p.m. now and dried up a little bit, and we got a nice little hour or two-ish window before it starts raining again. So I'm gonna go ahead and do as many logs as I can. I know Lund closes in like 2 hours, so I'm gonna go out right now, do this pull, send it to him. Hopefully he replies right away, maybe send me my second revision. We're just gonna go from there. Today is just all about trying to get this thing dialed in. Are they really cutting the grass right now, man? It's chopping harder. Is that cool? Should I need a pump E, or what do you think? You're good? For a quick log? Because we're on a time crunch. We're gonna let it warm up. I haven't turned it on all day, so we'll let it get up to temp, and then 2500 to 6500, third gear. Real mic?
No, you don't understand.
It's that quarter tank, yeah.
Mike,
quarter, 6 to 8.
Mike.
You think I should just fill it now? Nah, you know what?
You'll be straight.
Yeah, we'll be out.
You'll be straight. When we come back, you can fill up.
I gotta let it warm up though.
Yeah, go ahead, man. Just drop it.
It rained last night. I told him in the video yesterday, because I was gonna put this part with yesterday's video, but I know it was gonna rain, so I don't want to take a risk and like not have it fucking good. So
yeah, but I mean, shit, we'll give it a shot.
We're good. We're gonna do it on Sunday. We're gonna do it. Hopefully it does not spin, and that's why we're gonna do it in third gear.
Oh yeah.
Alright, well, we're gonna drive it around a little bit. We're gonna get the car up to temp, and then we're gonna go to this little stretch of road where we always do our logs and go for the best, man. Brian, everything's straight. Let's get it. So I gotta wrap it up.
I $1.30. $1.30.
Bro, that was. We gotta check it out, man. We gotta do the check, Tito. Miranda would be smoking and there'll be oil all over my engine bay and everywhere, so. Tito, tuck your, you can see your box?
Oh, sorry.
I gotta send him that long. Alright guys, so I sent the log to Lund. He might even reply as I'm pumping. That's how quick they are. Already replied.
Yes, sir. Woo. Yes, sir. What do you say?
Looking pretty good.
Yes,
I made a few little adjustments. She didn't see full timing, but didn't pull it out. Only saw commanded on that pull. Load this up. Let's get another pull, please.
Okay.
So. Revision number 2. What's good, man? You tired? Y'all haven't seen Quavo in a minute. Alright, boys. About to load revision number 2. See right here. ID 1300. 93. Definitely not that. There you go. Base R1, R2. ID 1300, 85. Cams R2. Flash 2. Alright, cool. It's about to rain all day tomorrow. So I have to do this lot tonight, it's alright. Hey, we're gonna go do this real quick.
You're right. Get that shit done.
Alright. It's gonna rain all day tomorrow.
Wow. What you say?
Nothing.
It's gonna rain all day.
Yeah, so we're gonna go do this real quick.
For sure.
It's gonna rain all day tomorrow, so I wanna do the log now.
Ooh, that's spicy. Mission number 3.
Mission number 3.
Bo.
I couldn't do this earlier, so